Hello and welcome to the 24th tutorial on how to program in Gscript2. So, I have my server back, and I'm not sure why it came back. Well, it came back a while ago. I just never felt I needed to create any more Gscript2 tutorials. But now I feel like I should, so I'm gonna start making these again. Now, I'm not sure why my server was even gone in the first place, and I'm not sure why it came back. But, whatever. Let's start this tutorial. Now, as you know, Level Editor does not work on a Mac, unless you're using like an emulator for Windows. And in this tutorial I want to explain how to edit levels with a Mac, and does not or if you don't want to use Level Editor. So as you can see, this is Level Editor. I created a level called Testing with a single NPC that says hello. And this is how you would usually upload levels. You would save it, click Start, Remote Control, Levels, right click anything, then double click the level. That's how I usually do it. And how you would do it if you have Level Editor. But there's another way to do it actually. What you have to do is you have to go into your folder wherever you could have your levels, and you right click the file and do open with and click Notepad. Notepad will allow you to see the entire level in text, and you can edit it however you want. But here's the problem with Notepad. You see it all clumped up like this. It's very hard to tell what's happening. By the way, all of this entire clump is actually the tiles of the level, and it's very hard to edit it in an actual text document. So if you're going to be editing tiles, I recommend you do it on a server and then download the level, or if you have Level Editor to LAT on Level Editor. But anyway, this part is the actual NPCs, and as you can see, it's not very easy to see what's happening around here. It's all sort of clumped up. But here's how you can make it not clumped up, and edit things on a server. So we'll just close that, and we'll open our Outgame RC. It can't be the in-game one. And what we do is we go here to the wrench, and we go to Download folder, here, browse a folder. I already have one, so I press OK, and this is where my levels are going to be downloaded when I edit them, or choose to download them. Now, next we go to Levels, and let's find our testing level. Testing. Where is it? There. Here it is. What we have to do is we right click it, and we do Edit as Text. Then we will see all of the text in a nice little text document. Here is the NPCs at the bottom, and over here, this big giant block is the tiles. It's very hard to edit the tiles like this, and I recommend you use a level editor, or if your server has a online level editor, to use that. But here's how you can edit the NPCs. See, NPC is when you want to create an NPC. An NPC ends the NPC. Whatever's in between here is just like any other NPC would be used. This here is the coordinates of where the NPC is created, with 1015. So let's create an NPC that does something. NPC. We'll make it 15 right next to the other NPC, 18. And NPC end. We're going to go in here, put client side. Client side. Function on created. So as soon as it's created, it's going to do whatever in the brackets. Then put show image 200, 201. Block.png, comma this.x, comma this.y. Okay, I can end that. And a space there. I don't know if it matters, but whatever. Now if we click apply and we look online, we'll see that a block has been created. We just created this NPC on the server, and it gets updated automatically. You don't even have to upload the file. And if we check our folder where the file is, and we double click it, we'll see that it has also been updated. This is the NPC we just added. Okay, And now if we have a level editor open, we just close the old level and open the new one, and we'll see that it has been updated as such. So anyway, that concludes this tutorial. You can now edit levels on a server, and if you don't have a Mac, this is very useful because it means you don't need a level editor. If you're working totally offline, you just need an online level editor and to do this, and you're good. So anyway, that concludes this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.